Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I am opening up the MIIASI tripod phone stand, and it's a selfie stick as well, so I wanted to open it up with you guys and show you. I have already unboxed it here, but I want to go ahead and get everything out with you. So it comes with the instruction manual. It says here you're going to get a Bluetooth remote, which is right here. You just hook it up to your Bluetooth on your camera. Let's see if the battery is in there. Battery's already in there. And then we have the part that you hook up for your phone. You can lock it or unlock it to, let's see, how do you make it bigger or smaller? Oh, you have to unlock and lock this as well. It gets bigger that way. Okay, here we go. So your phone can fit in it, and then you can just lock it. So it's not just a pull apart one. You have to actually make sure that it fits right in there. So there's that. And then again, you can turn it however you want to be landscape or even at a angle, a degree. So we've got that piece there. Let's see. We've got, oh, this is the GoPro attachment. So if you have a GoPro, this is your standard attachment for a GoPro. I've seen that many times. The phone holder we got, the user manual we got. Let's see what this guy is here. This is actually just the case. It looks like there's nothing in it, but it does come with a nice case, so you don't have to carry it around in the box the whole time. And then let's get out the actual tripod itself. This is thicker than most that I've seen or used. But let's go ahead. It looks like our Bluetooth will fit right in there for the selfie stick. Nice. And let's go ahead. This is where you're going to screw in your pieces here. And so you can also screw in a camera, and you don't have to use the selfie stick at all. So we've got that. If we, okay, here we go. This is gonna allow us to put it upright and then be able to have the phone turned. Ah, okay. And then you're gonna lock it in place. And this will also lock that in place for your selfie stick as well, as you're holding it and you click it away. So let's see what this is. We're testing everything out. So we're locking that in place. Or I guess we're unlocking it to be able to telescope. Oh my gosh, this is so long. Look at how long it is. It goes all the way. I think it said it was, look at, I can't, I'm running out of room. There we go. Let's see, I think there was some 62 inches. So long. And then you can lock that wherever you want it to be set. And then these are legs that are gonna pop out. So this is what's gonna make it a tripod stand. And it will go higher or lower, wider, however you want to have it. Look at that long base. That is a great long base there. It doesn't say, oh, this is your minimum is 17 inches and your tall is 62 inches. And then to put these away, you're seeing how easy this is. You're gonna push. When you put these down, you push it in and these will close up, and then they lock into place. So, this is actually very nice. Let's look. It's 360-degree rotating, separate remote control, which we talked about, aluminum nylon tripod stand. So it looks like, as far as information, is pretty basic. What we've got here, it works with an iOS, so your Apple phones of 5 and above, or an Android at a 4.3 and above. The remote works at 33 feet, so if you ever put this up, you know, you always need somebody to take a picture of you and your friends. You could do that with this. And the carrying size is 11, just under 12 inches, 11.8 inches. And the phone size goes from 2.2 inches to 3.7 inches. And then let's see what I missed. We talked about the phone holder, the screw, the cold shoe port, which is the part that just stays still while the other part moves. I showed you how long that rod is. The remote card slot with the remote. This says the RIP and cluster hub. The feet pads, integrated legs, and the ring lock runner. Let's look at this again, because it's just showing you the legs. And then this guy, I guess you can, well, you don't really lock it in place. The legs are just there. So, but it also has some instructions here. Be sure to follow these steps. Rotate counter clockwise to unlock the rings. Push the ring down to the max position and rotate clockwise to lock. So very easy, very fun. You guys, I'm going to be able to have another tripod to be able to move this into a larger area for DIYs, which I did not have before. So the one tripod that I did have that could do this is gone. It broke with littles around. So I'll be able to do some holiday DIY crafts. I'm so excited. I will put this link in the description for you in case you wanted to get one for yourself. I will also be teaching a studio class for social media in the near future. So if you want to hear more about that, just make sure that you go to beautyandthestamper.com and add your email there. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.